Hey guys, Team 14204 4H Scream Robotics here with another legit robot part review. So today we're going to be unboxing packages from both AndyMark and goBILDA. So hopefully we got some good parts going.
All right, so what do we got? Ben P, what do we got?
New Strafer chassis Mecanum wheels.
Okay, Avi.
These were balls that they use at packaging. Pretty cool. We got Omni wheels for the
Holonomic chassis.
Yes, the Holonomic chassis. Then we have the inside blades for the Mecanum board. That the Mecanum chassis that we will be talking about later.
For goBILDA, we have a couple of 17-hole U-channels and some 9-hole U-channels.
That's all part of the Strafer chassis kit, right?
As well as, I can't read these, but they're motors.
Probably over.
Yeah, I can't read letters on those. These ones, more motors, lots of motors.
More cool parts. We got a couple of Allen wrenches and some wires included in here. There's just all sorts of things. These also all belong to the Strafer chassis.
It's kind of like a Mecanum chassis. Yeah, yellow.
The same can be said for these parts as well. These are also just an assortment of nice little bits and bobs.
And these are servo gearboxes, which I'm going to catch so that we can use these in a fluid chassis.
And most importantly, 3 artisan packing peanuts.
Alrighty. So as we get more things going, we'll add to this, right, guys?
Yeah.
All right. See you later.
And we're back. These are the chassis we made using the parts that we just unboxed. We have a Strafer runner here, a tile runner here, and our good old Holonomic chassis. So, we're going to be using these in our upcoming Robot in 3 Days challenge that we're going to be doing right here, where we are now. And without further ado, I'll let you talk to Noah and Cole about the Strafer.
Okay, so basically we took we built the Strafer chassis that we got from goBILDA, that we bought from goBILDA, and we made a few modifications that Noah is going to explain.
So the first thing we did is we put spaces right here where it clamped onto the shaft, so that if this came loose, we'd still be able to move the wheel. And we will be posting these spaces on Thingiverse, so look for them. And we also moved this back beam thing. It was orientated more like this and moved in a little bit. We are going to put a wood board on the bottom and to where we put our electronics. Next we have a tile runner Mecanum chassis. Basically, we cut out a board which is about 18 inches. So these two sides are 18 inches long. Before that it was shorter than 18 inches, so we want to take the advantage of it. And we kept it low so we can put our electronic plates on top, and then we can cover something up and then attach more stuff on top of it.
Alright, and this is the Holonomic chassis. These are 4-inch Dura Omni wheels that we ordered off of AndyMark. They are very good for Holonomic chassis. And then we're just going to flip it over right here so that you can see some of the other parts we ordered. And Ben can explain those.
These are the 312 goBILDA Yellow Jacket motors, and next to them you have these pattern adapters so that we can adapt the goBILDA pattern to AndyMark so that we can actually use these wheels effectively.
Okay. And so what's the fastest chassis there so far?
This one.
Yep. All right. And we want to make sure we give all our vendors props, right? So who made the Strafer chassis kit?
goBILDA.
Okay. And
AndyMark.
AndyMark.
Called tile runner.
Yep. And that there is a hybrid, right?
Yep.
goBILDA and Andy Mark wheels.
Yep.
Alrighty. All right, we'll get them running. We'll be back in just a second.
Alrighty, if you liked what you saw, make sure to check in to our live stream for Robot in 3 Days. We'll be uploading that in just a couple of days. If you want to help the channel grow, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. So just thank you for watching. Adios.